Hi, my name is Shelby Bedford, and I'm going to talk about the tools in my classroom, the Matrix. I'm going to start with reading and writing. So, curriculum in reading, the design strategies would be the UDL, the Universal Design for Learning. I'd also have Reader's Theater. I'd front load new vocabulary for both my EL and my general education and special needs students. I'd practice reading, have read alouds, partner reading, summarizing reading. I'd check for understanding through questions and answers. We'd also do vocabulary and context clues. Some hardware could be Chromebooks, have internet access, headphones, adaptable mice, and use the Quizlet app. Tools would Some tools I found were Reader Speak, where it's speech to text, text to speech, translate, and documents and images would be assisted on all devices, which is pretty cool. There's also an app to speak, which is assist students who have a hard time speaking aloud. Reading and writing, speech to text, which is cool. It's a speech as I type. So as you talk, it types. In writing, we'd have Cornell note taking, which supports both English learners and special ed students, building fine motor skills, using graphic organizers, assisting organizing paragraphs and information for essays. Again, we'd use Chromebooks, internet access. We could throw some pencil grips, Quizlets, and the Kagan map chart train charts. Again, you could use Reader Speaker, text to speech, notation app, which is where you can use multiple color note taking. And then going into math, we have models. The design strategies would be model solving problems, math problems, step by step with clear instructions, highlighting keywords, using a Chromebook, pencil grips, Quizlet app, tools, software such as math sharing, step by step math problem workspace. And then there's also cool Math Learning Center, which has interactive manipulatives. And YouTube, social studies, could also use Quizlets, work in groups, visual forming illustrations and diagraphs. Science hands-on manipulatives using Quizlets, computers, pencil grips, YouTube videos. And social skills could be group projects, role playing, responsibilities within the classroom, both again Quizlets and Chromebooks. YouTube could be utilized by showing kindness videos, social emotional videos, and how to work as teamwork. This is just a quick rundown of social skills, science, social studies, math, writing, and reading in the Matrix. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.